We're just about to drop into the south shaft of the Port Mann Tunnel.
Construction on the Port Mann water supply tunnel is nearing completion. Tim Langmate, the project manager for Hatchmont McDonald, took us underground for an up-close look at the final stages of the work.
We're descending about 50 metres below ground level at the moment, so the tunnel is about 45 metres below the level of the river. This is the shaft from where the tunnel boring machine started. The water main that comes through the tunnel will come up through the shaft, and that will be what supplies water into Surrey and the other areas of the Fraser Valley. Okay, so we're now at the bottom of the south shaft, and we're going to go and take a look at the tunnel liners and also the steel pipes that line the tunnel.
The water main will more than double the current water supply capacity of the existing main and service the growing Metro Vancouver communities south of the Fraser.
Mining for the tunnel started in February of 2014, and we finally finished in the summer of 2015.
In late June, tunnel boring for the project concluded, and the tunnel boring machine extracted from the access shaft on the north side of the Fraser River. As the tunnel boring machine progressed northward under the Fraser River, it also installed the concrete rings that support and protect the water main that will carry water to the Surrey side. A total of 1,000 ring sections line the 1 kilometer tunnel, connecting the north and south shafts.
So we've come inside the Port Mann Tunnel now, and each ring is made up of 6 concrete segments. You can also see that the joints within the tunnel don't quite line up, and this is designed specifically to give us the strongest structure possible. It's very much like building a brick wall.
Now crews are installing the steel pipe which will line the 1 kilometer long tunnel.
So we've come further into the tunnel now, so we can take a look at the steel liner that's being installed, which will eventually transport the water through the tunnel into Surrey. You can see here the gap between the steel liners for the tunnel and the tunnel lining itself. This gap is about 40 centimetres, and eventually we will fill this void with cement grout to hold the tunnel liners securely in the tunnel. The steel pipes that make up the liner are in approximately 9 metre lengths, and each of these is welded together underground. We've nearly finished installing all of the steel tunnel liner pipe into the tunnel. Once that work is complete, we will need to grout those pipes in place, and then we will need to install the pipes that come up the shafts, and we still have to build the south valve chamber on the Surrey side of the project.
The Port Mann water supply tunnel will be commissioned in late 2016.